guys, my name is Dawn and look, I'm signed in with a little puppy Monty over here. I just want to make a video. I think I want to show you guys how to uninstall products that I want to uninstall, like this 360 total security. I uninstalled it. Now, whenever I, for example, whenever I right click on something, such as what? Oh my god. Yeah. Bye. Me too. I thought if I can make a nice video on it. What exactly? See, you can never see it here. It just edits and a few other things here like this. And how do you do this? And you might be wondering that whenever you delete something, it's still somewhere just lying about. Like you can't see it on the folders, but whenever you right click, that's just 360 security. You still see there, and 360, and you just can just see there, which is scan or force delete. What do you have to do in order to do that? Yeah, and I installed something called Maker, but if it doesn't work, just follow it. Code click on programs or just click uninstall a program, and these are all the stuff. Close up on my door.
I've got something for you before you go.
Close it, please.
Can I leave this here for you? I've got sandwich.
Okay.
Like tuna. Like tuna with cards?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
You said that you're dressed. Why did you like me?
I can't.
That's too short. Break some more. Don't forget that your sister is here. If you will be very happy to see you naked.
Close on you.
I'll see you later. Love you.
Bye. Right. As you can see, my nice little games here, and you can see about 100 of them which I play. Now, I do not want to delete this one. This one, for example, what you have to do is right click and then click uninstall. See all links here, and then just click uninstall. You want to click yes. Right. Yes, I do. Right. As you can see, we have a lot installed with the within the system mechanic. And this may take a bit of time. As you can see. What time the hell click this? And then what's happening? Let me if I go to Steam. This was another really annoying product who always asks for updates. This product is like, oh, give me some updates. And most annoying product was, I think, 326 total security, really annoying. So just go to here and just uninstall a product, which will never not exist on your computer anymore unless you download it from the internet once again. You can't uninstall Play Store. How do you uninstall? How do you install Play Store? Because you need to go to Play Store to install Play Store. And Play Store is just pre-downloaded from the phone. Open it up. And you can see what now you have to do to uninstall or change a program. You usually have all the stuff you need here. Security does not exist anymore. Sorry. It's just here. It is just here. It's very simple, isn't it? So yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. Also, let's explore a little. In the programs. Search for installed updates. Wow. Flash. Security updates. Blah blah blah. So what you have to do is just do this. Take time, but you don't want to. This is my ice cream screen recorder. This is what I was talking about, the ice cream one. We just uninstalled it because it didn't work anyway. So yeah, let's just uninstall this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let me see. It's so slow. Oh my god, it's maybe this could be like a massive thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. So if you want to see anything that high, you can just go to Control Panel Home. And any annoying products that you have that may look your computer, go to Control Panel and they'll fully uninstall. You can see all the stuff I've installed. I tried to delete them, but you can see all the stuff here. I think there's like a lot of stuff. And these are just the fun games I just want to play. I don't want to uninstall this. Not VU3DM. Not the the VU3DM doesn't work anyway. So yeah, that's just a common method installer, as you can see. So I thought if I uninstalled it, and this is the best place for the products to hide. Yeah guys, let me choose. If you uninstall it and then it takes a long time, I think. Oh, wait a minute, it's just uninstalled. Please, I want to see it. I think it's gone now. I think it's gone, unless it's hiding. Nope, it's not hiding anywhere. I think it's now gone. Now that should save me a lot of memories. What this system mechanic did for me, yeah, why I installed it and why I don't like it. I would open this, yeah, and then nothing would happen. Click open, nothing would happen. It will not even re-open up the things, and nothing would even happen. It's meant to speed up my computer, by the way, but it didn't do anything, so it just wasted my memory. YouTube has the biggest memory, but if you're not a fan of YouTube, or just get more memory, I'm a fan of YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. You see, if I didn't like YouTube, I'd not be making YouTube videos. If I didn't even know about videos, they'll not exist. You'll never see them, and you'll be like, really? Will there ever be a person called Don Pinkoff who'll make YouTube videos? And they'll be like, no. Screencast-O-Matic, of course, that screen recorder. I don't install it. Uninstall it, but I always get it from the internet. But maybe I should go to my control files. That way. So what is Zip Cruncher? Definitely uninstall. I hate Steam. It's very annoying. And why as you can see, this is times 86 uninstall. This should be the uninstalling. That's how fast I wanted to go. Maybe the product was probably huge. You know how you're being moving for that system mechanic? Probably the product is so big it can just go like that, like, and you have to just be uninstalling for like 3 days to leave your computer on. Because it could be a huge app. Even though it doesn't work. Probably the app was just so big that my computer could not even run it because it was bigger than my could run the file. So that's why I think that's why it didn't even open up. So good that I installed. So that should save a huge amount of lag on my computer now. Like 1.0.7001011. So installation complete. This should disappear now. Yes, there we go. Now it's show-based and screencast. Woo! And I can even sign into Steam. I tried to play lots of nice games on Steam. I never even installed. No, I did not want to install YouTube. World of Warships, this is the fun. No, I love this game. I can't install that game. I only install stuff that never worked or are completely pointless to me. Microsoft. There was an app called Mega. There's like an app, like an error when I tried to uninstall it, which was very annoying. I cannot see Mega now. That's good. Hopefully I don't just run into Mega. But it's a Mega app where you can install lots of fun games, and there's like an orange download button, and you have to have a Mega account in order to do that. I tried, but of course my accounts did not work, and this didn't work either. I'm not sure if I need that. Uninstall. This app never worked anyway, so yeah, let me just I think I like to just for fun. Install ice cream screen record that, yes. Oh, now they're gonna ask me to install it again. Oh, good, I didn't have the file. Good. So yeah, you may be thinking, where's this thing where it's really slow? Well, if you go here, and then go to Programs, you go to, View terminals features. Please wait. And click here, which will connect to